coming up on my land. We're getting close. All right, so I'm gonna turn left on Tucson Lane, Tucson Lane. And then, I don't know, we're gonna look for lot 17. There's not like an address, but okay. Like we pulled into, like you just turn on this street, there's another street right there. That's Oak Knoll, so that's basically like, that's like what this place is called, like the subdivision.
What road did we turn on?
Tucson. Here's a map of like, okay, so here's the title of the land. These little berries are the entrance. Eat one.
That shit's got some psilocybin.
Eat one. For me.
No way.
All right, guys, we're about to enter my land. Thanks, Joey. Thanks, Joey, for just giving me a forest. This is all mine. All this. I own all of this. This beautiful forest in Arkansas. Got a little hill on it. It's dope. We're walking in, boy. Let's go. It's actually technically...
Might have to take a shit.
That's good. I gotta take a shit too.
Huh?
Said me too. You wanna take a shit out here?
Yeah, dude, if I really had to, I would squeeze out a shit right now.
That's what you get for drinking coffee and a bang.
Yeah, I know, dude.
I mean, if you want, you can take a shit on my land. I'll let you.
Like, I'm
Ooh,
telling
what's
you.
that? Some white stuff over there. This is dope, dude. Ah. What is this? This styrofoam? Styrofoam, dude.
Bam.
That's why you don't litter, dude. That's why I've been there years. Let's go see what's on top of this hill. Yeah, these are just some regular ass woods, basically.
Yeah.
But I own all of it.
Hello? Your what?
This is sick, bro. So, okay, so nothing on my land, you know. I got a house out here, nothing but I got some trees. Crazy thing is, if I were to want to like, say I was like, yeah, fuck, I'm gonna move out here, you know. First, I would have to like make like a trail, right? I would have to make a trail out here that car could fit through.
Yeah.
And then I would have to like cut down a bunch of trees in the big shape of a square to like build a house on, you know?
Yup.
That's mine, dude. It's not, why are you stepping on that?
Think I can do like a switch? Hell yeah, do a fucking kickflip. That was pretty sick.
You're fucked, bro.
This tree's really brittle, but one day, I'm gonna come back and this tree's gonna be fucking super tall, taller than me.
Probably.
Oh wait, let's take a picture next to my tree. I was like,
Come on. Just a little deeper.
deeper, into my land,
Come on, let's go deeper.
come on.
I just wonder if I can just sell all those trees. Like, yeah, come cut them down. I don't want them. You know, someone will come cut them down, take them. Ah, thorns. Thorns right here too.
See, good thing we did have long sleeves on.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, this was technically, this is my land this far. When we first walked in, it might have not been my land. At least this far and on it was. Thanks, Joey, for the land. I'll take good care of it.
I don't wanna go unless you're going. Isolate, I'm sorry, I'm so late, I couldn't. I got plenty left.
Hey, you pissed on my land?